Hello everyone, welcome to Projects with Gaurang. Today we are going to learn a new concept in Svelte, which is how to bind classes. For this, we will first make a class in style section. So let's do that and make it the heading class. So color will be red and font size will be, let's suppose, 50 pixels. I know it's quite large. So now I'm going to define an element on which this heading class will be applied. So h1 will be the element and it will be lecture 7. And now we will apply the class. So use the class attribute and heading. Save it, and here you can see we have our lecture 7. Now this type of classes are called static classes because they are fixed with the element. They are not going to change. Now what I mean by change is that these or this class will remain with this h1 no matter what. But in practical applications you need that the classes should be dynamic, because what you want is, let me show you again. Like for example, if I hover over this text, you might want to change its color, its size, anything. You might want to put some animations. So for that we use dynamic classes. For this, what we can do is we can define a variable const is heading equal to false, and then here in curly braces you can simply write is heading question mark, and it is tertiary if else. So save it, and here you can see we have no color here. Why we have no color here? Because is heading was false. If I change it to true, see it again. Now we have the color. There is one more notation which is used. This is not Svelte specific, it is JavaScript feature. So you can simply use this and remove this also and save. See, the result will be same. So we use this, or we prefer this when other classes, like you don't want to apply any class. But in Svelte, this toggling function or this toggling of classes is so, you can say, important, and it is so common that Svelte has given us the particular feature for this. So what you can do, you can use colon heading and remove everything here. Save it and let's see the result. See, we have the lecture 7 in the heading style. Like we applied the heading and it is working. Again, there is one more shorter notation which you can use. You can skip this whole thing if the class name and the controlling variable name is same. What I mean by this is, let me first comment this variable and let me create a new variable. Const heading is true. So I can remove this part also. So what now Svelte will do is, Svelte will check, okay, I have a heading class, I have a heading variable. So it will automatically connect these two in the background. So save it and let's see the result. See, we have the same result. If you are not sure, I can change here some styling. Let's suppose what I can add. I can add font style italic. Save it, and here you can see we have italic text. So these are all the methods you can use for styling. You can prefer any method, but yes, there are some shortcuts which I would like you that when you are developing a Svelte application, so you follow some Svelte specific syntax. But again, it is completely on you how you style your application. You might want to use some other methods like using Tailwind, and which is a very good method. Even I prefer it. So that's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye. And if you have any doubts, do comment in the comment section. I will love to solve them. So till then, take care. Bye.